Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain 6 different time and date related functions. These functions are weekday, year, hour, minute, second and now function. Let's start with the first function called weekday. This function basically returns numbers from 1 to 7 on the basis of weekdays. Sunday will be counted as first day, Monday will be counted as second day, Tuesday will be counted as third day, Wednesday will be counted as fourth day, Thursday will be counted as fifth day, Friday will be counted as sixth day, and Saturday will be counted as seventh day. So here I have two dates and I have to find their day number with the help of weekday function. I will give the reference of this date and it gives me the number 1. Today is 3rd of May and it's Sunday, so it is giving me 1 as it is first day of the week. So let's apply this function on the another date. It should give me 2 because tomorrow is Monday. So let's see what it gives me. Okay, it gives me 2, so it's very accurate. This is how weekday function works. So let's move on. Year function return the year of a date. So let's see how this function works. Year, so it is returning me 2020. Okay, it will return me year of the date. Let's move on. Hour. These are very basic functions, easy to use and most frequently used in your daily data. Let's see this. Hour will return hour component of a time. Suppose this in this time there are 3 components. First one is hour, then second one is minute, then last one is second. So let's see how this hour function works. I will give the reference of this date. It's returning 9th hour. I can use this in different way also. Suppose I have 2 different time here, 9:45, 15, and here I take 16:50, 25. Suppose I have to find the difference of hours in between these 2 times. Then how can I find it? Hour, this one minus this one. So it says that the difference between 4:50 and 9:45 in the morning is 7 hours. Yes, it is correct. So it is very accurate. This is how our function works. In the same way, we can find minutes. Minute function will return us minute component of a time. So I'm taking this time. So it says 45 minutes. It's giving me very accurate result. Yes. Then second function. Second function is also same. It will give me a second component of a time. So it says 15 seconds. Very easy to use these functions. Let's move on. Now function. Now function returns me current time and date. How this function works? I don't have to specify any cell reference. I just have to write down the function here. So the current date and time is 5th May 2020 and 7:08 AM. So this is how these basic function of time and date related works. So I hope you like the learning of today. And thank you and bye bye.